Assalamu alaikum everyone, it's me again, Fatima. Today I'll be making some dessert. I have you can use any fruit of your choice. So that's my fruit here. I have some sugar, cake, some double cream, some heavy cream here. So I'm gonna whip this one, the double cream. That's my heavy cream. I'm going to be adding sugar into that. You can add more sugar if you want. Make it to your own taste. So this is what we are looking for. So I'm going to be slicing my fruit like so. This one is raspberries. Use any fruit of your choice. I have some blueberries and some strawberries. So I'm going to be slicing all my strawberries. Slice them to your own taste. So this is a cake that I make myself, so you can get any cake of your choice. So as you can see, I'm cutting them into tiny layers. I make this cake during the week. Skim milk. Just put some on top of it to keep the cake moist. Not too much. Use 2 cups for the layer. If you don't want to add any milk, you don't have to. So now I'm gonna be putting some heavy cream. Just spread it like so. You guys should try this, it's really nice. So now I'm going to be putting my strawberries. I'm going to be putting another layer. So this one is for the next layer. So don't put the milk direct on top of the your double cream. Just do it like so. So now I'm going to bring the bowl back. So don't put too many milk in here, just for your cake to be moist. I'll be putting the fruit on top like so. So I'm gonna cover it like so and put it in my fridge. So that. So I'm gonna put it in the fridge. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed everyone.